This is Randall Neighbors. I'm at 455 Skyline Drive, Center Point, Texas. It's May 23rd of 2024. This is toilet flush number 8. Nothing is coming out into the wet well. I made a video down in the sewer pipe. There was one wad of poop a foot from the first repair coupling on that section where I cut the pipe to block the sewer gas. That poop appears to be gone because I went ahead and shoved the camera through this other batch of poop, but that other batch of poop is still sitting there in the wide. 8 flushes, hasn't moved it out of there yet. So we're going to do, or this is 8, this is number 8. So here we go. Flush number 8. I don't know how many flushes I'm going to do. I'd like to do it till it clears the stuff out of the pipe, but gee, this is number 8. I don't know. Oh no, I forgot to dump the bucket. Shoot, it's too late now. Too late now. Doggone it. Too much to think about. Keep all this straight. Well, anyways, it's going to overflow the bucket. Well, but ain't nothing coming through, so it's not really, the water's not too bad. I think after it does its initial flow, I'll go ahead and pull the bucket up and dump it. Okay, there's nothing in the bucket. It's getting less and less after each flow because the stuff is breaking down and more of it is going out in the liquid I'm pouring out, even though it's, very small or microscopic. Boy, that flow is just awful. This is flush number 8. Since I can't really do anything, well, I guess I better wait here. As soon as it gets near the top of that bucket, I'm going to pull it up out there and dump it. But it's not moving anything. Dump it as quickly as I can and get it back in there. Catch the rest of this flow. Oh man. Well, that's pretty much it. So that completes flush number 8. You know what? I think we'll just leave it running, take it off the tripod, and take it over and make video of the the sewer pipe and see if it moved that clog out of there on the 8th flush. Okay, pull the curtain down over me, cut out the light so it makes a good video. Here, I gotta wipe my sweat first. Okay, that was flush number 8. Let's go and see if it moved anything out of the line. No, it's still sitting there. Well, not much of it, but there's still a considerable wad. Anyways, oh no, there's a lot there. That's toilet paper and poop. It's not moving it. I mean, it's futile to keep flushing that toilet. It's not clearing it. That was flush number 8. I'll do one more at least. I'm going to go ahead and shut the camera off here. Over and out. Flush number 8, and there's still poop in this pipe.